Hello, Randy Rain here, and check it out. I have another animated animations, and this is The Wizard of Oz. And yeah, you're not wrong. It is smaller. I don't know. I've never seen one like this before. This one is totally different. It's a few inches smaller. On the back of it, it has these little things that fold out so it can prop up on a desk or a table or something. One side's broken, and it looks like someone has tried to do a little repair on it. It does have the battery door, but what's really interesting is it says 1999. All the other ones I've seen have all said 2000 or more on there, so let me get inside. Let's see what's going on with this one. My friend has a few that I haven't worked on because his work, and none of them are this size. They're all the other size. I wonder if this is the first one. There's 3 screws here on the bottom, and one of them in the center here is different. I wonder if that's a replacement screw. Sure looks like it. I'm pretty sure it is. But this one only has screws on the top and bottom. There's not any on the sides. Button's still over here. So I'm going to start this corner. Yeah. Same type of thing over here. This is all the same. I'm going to undo this. Take that off. Put this screw back. That way I can remove this, get it out of the way. And there we have it. Here's What's-Her-Face and the bad one, Dorothy. Start taking some stuff off. Got a silver one over here. Okay, well, let's take this bar off of here. Here's Dorothy. I wonder if there's any broken gears there. We got the witch here. Take her off right here. She's spring loaded. Let's take this off. And move her out of the way. Then there's one up here that's silver. So it must be going into metal. I see a bar traveling right through here. So one motor here, one motor here. And it looks like one motor here doing double duty. Alright, looks like this one here got a lot to get off to get to it. Let's take this bar off. Move that out of the way. Take this one off. Move that one out of the way. Let's go ahead and get rid of her. Put these back where I found them. Now I can get this whole plate off here. Might as well start with the hardest one. There we go, we're down to this one. There's the motor and everything. Okay, well, we've got a worm drive. Yep. There's no metal gears in this one. This, as I suspected. With the Batman, there was metal gears, and that had to be a later version. This is cracked as well, but well, it's not bad. It's starting to crack. So here we have this to there. Also, I guess makes the witch come out too. I guess just to there probably makes her come out. Getting something there. Hits that again. Yep, so this is the witch and this thing. Alright, step one is get this one off. But they did, look at there, they did put little grooves in the metal. You can see, cracked alright. This other gear looks fine that's on here. Okay, let's put this guy. I mean, you can see the tiniest little cracks starting to form. Put one of these on there. Let's move over to Dorothy here. Same thing. Now that's a broken gear. Yeah, that one, I'd say that one's broken. It's broken in half. Let's see. Oh yeah, that one's starting to break as well. Go ahead and replace this. I guess that's all it does is bring her up to there and then back down to there. No idea where she's supposed to be. So she gets put in the center. Let it reset itself. Actually, I'm going to put her right there. Actually, I'm going to put her right there where I can get the motor on. Where I can get the motor cover on. That also puts her out of the way for this one. They're all the same thing. That one's actually good? Are you kidding me? No way. No. No way. Exactly. Exactly. Look, it's... Well, I'm out of the other kind. So this one's getting this. These are a little softer. These don't break. Oh yeah, it's gone as well. Alright, I have batteries in it. Time to turn it on, see what happens. Power. Nothing. It not doing anything. That sounds like a battery problem. There it goes.
Toto, I have a feeling we're not in Kansas anymore. I'm Linda, the witch of the north. I'll get you, my pretty, and your little dog, too. Just follow the yellow brick road. My, people come and go so quickly. The wonderful Wizard of Oz. There's no place like home.
Alright, let's put this stuff back.
you going right now?
Kansas anymore. I'm Linda, the witch of the north. My pretty, and your little dog too. The yellow brick. My, people come and go so quickly.
This one went there. This one. Well, hell smells. This one's metal over here.
Pretty sure that's not the right screw. I have one at least closer to it. Alright, last thing is this is broken here. This part was broken as well, and they replaced it with a screw, which is really not too bad actually. It's nice and firm. I may work with that. I'm out of silicone. However, since it's such a tiny little thing, I don't see why I can't just do this. Put a little sticky wax down. Put that there. And I have some of this. This is silicone. So I ended up just pulling the whole thing off, getting rid of the clay, and just dabbing all around it, because it was taking too long for it to cure. Oh, there's going to be a lot of cleanup. If I can just get the basic shape, I'll be happy. I knew it was going to come out really ugly and that I was going to have a lot of cleanup. But it's an easy thing to clean up. Little belt sander out in the shop. Little Dremel. And now I've got this piece right here that fits perfectly. Shouldn't be any problem. Screw that started. That's how that works. There you go. So there it is, the Wizard of Oz animated animations, and I'm going to go out on a limb and say that this is the first one. Now, there is absolutely no information whatsoever on the internet about this company. Where they came from, where they went, who they were, nothing. So it's just a guess. From the date, the size, and the simplicity, it has to be the first one. But let me show you.
We're not in Kansas anymore. I'm Glinda, the Witch of the North. I wish you were my pretty, and your little dog, too. Just follow the yellow brick road. My, people come and go so quickly. The wonderful Wizard of Oz.
Well, if you like this video, I sure would appreciate a thumbs up. If you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. I'd like to thank these people right here. These are the patrons. These are the people helping me out. These are the people bringing you the Wizard of Oz and discovering that this is more than likely the first one. So I thank them so very much. I couldn't do any of this stuff without them. So they are so great, and I can't believe I have all these patrons. And if you'd like to become patron, well, of course there's links and perks and all that stuff. So anyway, thanks for watching Wizard of Oz.
Hello? I have a feeling we're not in Kansas anymore.